Yeah. So here we have McFarlane DC Multiverse Dick Grayson as Batman. So as you can see here in the artwork, there's Damian, and I'm expecting Damian to arrive tomorrow. So this is Batman Reborn, Dick Grayson as Batman. So this is a reuse of the Nightfall body with wired cape and electric knuckle dusters. So yeah, so let's open it up, see how he is. All right, here is Dick Grayson as Batman out of the box. So as I said, this is a reuse of the Nightfall Buck body, and personally I like that Buck of Batman, but I was disappointed with the cape because I had trouble posing it and playing with it. But with this wired cape, it is much easier. Also, compared to other McFarlane, I know that's not much, but that's a very good forward crunch. Not saying a lot about McFarlane, but it's good compared to other figures. So if you have the Nightfall Buck, it's basically the same. Only difference is the head sculpt and the wired cape, the belt too, and the bat emblem. You can see the electric knuckle dusters. Now for his accessories, comes with a trading card. So look like him. And if you want to read the data file, okay, of course, a DC stand. How about some alternate hands? Comes with open grabbing hands and two holding hands. Oh yeah, no batarang, but we have a lot of batarangs. No grappling gun, but we have a lot of grappling gun, so that's not a problem. So yeah, so I really like this Dick Grayson as Batman. This may be our Batman the shelf. So aside from this and the Batfleck, they are the two of my favorite Batman figures this year. So yeah, so for more videos like this, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching.